Hey everybody, Billy here. Now I've got the 2026 World Raid in my garage. I've had it a little while now and I'm doing some upgrades to it so that I can tour with it, do some dirt riding with it, etc. One of the things that I'm going to be doing is upgrading or changing the air filter on the Tenere World Raid to one that is a much better performing air filter. I've got the P14 from Sprint Filter. This is a filter designed specifically for demanding conditions and therefore will perform better in terms of filtration and airflow efficiency into my Tenere than the OEM paper version. So if you want to know more about this, stay tuned. Let's get into it. So the P series from Sprint Filter is used in Rally Raid, it's used in desert racing and also endurance events. So essentially the P14 is the adventure rally version of their high performance racing air filters. What makes the P14 different to your OEM paper air filter in your Tenere? Well, the P14 is a dual layer polyester mesh and design in terms of the way that it's built. So when your engine is working really hard and the airflow is high, you want an air filter that's going to keep the dust from entering your engine, and over a period of time can do damage to your engine. The P14 is going to keep the dust from entering your engine, meaning that your airflow will be constant and your engine won't have to work as hard. So another reason for changing your air filter, your OEM paper air filter like this one from your Tenere, is that these paper filters tend to clog up pretty quickly in dusty, sandy environments. And if that's where you're going to be riding, then you would be doing yourself a favor by changing your air filter to a P14. Even as the polyester mesh collects and does a really good job of collecting dust and sand so it doesn't enter your engine, the airflow is maintained really well in the P14. So the P14 is a dry air filter. It means it doesn't need to be oiled, it doesn't need to be washed. You maintain your filtration efficiency and there is no performance decay with this filter as it accumulates dust and sand. So the bottom line about your air filter in your Tenere is that if you've bought your Tenere and you're mostly going to do road riding, your paper OEM air filter will do the job. Just need to keep an eye on it over a period of time. If you're going to be doing a little bit more off-road, like I'm going to be doing on the Tenere, then you're going to need a better performing air filter, and the P14 from Sprint Filter will do exactly what you need it to do. So with that all said, let's do a point of view installation and show you exactly how to change your air filter in your Tenere World Raid. As I said previously, this is just a simple replacement. Take off the seat, drop it in, and away you go. So before we do anything else, let's take the seat off the bike, put the key in, lift the back up, and then we pull. There we go, that's the seat now ready to come off. Right, looking shiny and new as you would expect with a brand new bike. So air filter is going to sit under here. So we need a Phillips head. I'm going to leave these on for now. I'm going to wait to see if I need to take this off before I need to. So let's get a Phillips screwdriver and take these 4 screws out. And that lid should just come off. Okay, let's put those nice and safe. So now that we've taken these 4 screws out, there's a 5th screw right down in this tube here, so you'll need to take that screw out as well. So there we go, got that screw. So this should lift out nice and easy. There we go. Let's come out nice and easy. So there is no 5th screw to screw the Sprint filter in, okay? So you will have a spare screw over, so keep that safe. So the Sprint filter just sits in, just drops it straight in like that. That was easy, and all we do now is a reverse of these 4 screws and put the lid back on. So that goes like that. When you're going to Right, that is job done. So job done, as simple as that, really easy to do. Anybody can do it. If you're interested in getting a air filter from Sprint Filter, link in the description down below. Leave any comments or questions and I will get back to you as soon as I can. But thanks very much for watching and I'll catch you again very soon.